AI has already started creating 1 million millionaires by using the software. If you ever have thought of starting a business, whether it's a painting business, raw dog food business, digital marketing, drop shipping, whatever the business is, or even, bookkeeping with, trusted circles, AI is already creating 1 million millionaires according to experts. We've been seeing this coming for a long time. And if you're looking to start a business, is there a better opportunity today to have AI do 90% of the work in terms of, starting a conversation, creating trust with future potential clients, and even making phone calls? Yes, we've been testing all this already for nearly 2 years now, where AI will initiate 1,600 calls per minute. Right? So no more pay-per-click campaigns. You knew that wasn't going to work anyways. No more pay-per-click campaigns, no more cold calls, no more sending out cold emails, no more of the bullshit, getting your name out there and they will come, or creating a website and it will come. You know that wasn't going to work because everyone is doing that. Everyone is doing the pay-per-click campaign. What everyone is not doing yet is using AI to not only start a side gig or a $1 million business and having AI do 90% of the heavy lifting. That's what we've been testing, and we're ready to start launching to help some of these businesses not only get started, to build a business blueprint, the aggressive marketing system, and create the culture and the strategies and the other 33 tools. We're ready to start launching AI. We've got enough positive results, enough of the testing in the last 2 years to understand how it works, and we're ready to start. If you're looking to start, a $500,000 side gig while you maintain your job, and like I said, AI will do 90% of the work, maybe even 95% of the work. Where you're needed is to jump on that Zoom call, right? Because AI will send emails and send videos out and have conversations, even phone calls. We can mimic your voice when creating the phone conversation. When they're finally saying, yes, I'm ready to hear more, or I'm serious about hearing more about this, or how can I get started, then AI books a Zoom call where you jump on the conversation. But by the time you jump on the conversation, that client has been talking to you through AI for the last 3 months or 2 months or 30 days, however long it took, right? So it's like getting together with a friend you met 3 months or 6 months ago. So AI is a slow burn, will build trusted relationships. The type of relationships or the type of leads you're getting from pay-per-click campaigns are cold. They know that you bought your way to page one, right? You didn't do it organically. So we have 3 different strategies to build trust with future potential clients. And again, it doesn't matter what type of business you want to start. The first is online. Right? We'll teach you how to get in front of 20 million future potential clients. And by the way, my videos get in front of 20 million future potential of my clients. I'll teach you to do the same. So that's strategy number 1. Strategy number 2 is using other platforms, which I'm not going to mention. The platforms, to start conversations in groups. And then from the group conversations, go to the one-to-one conversations, then start building trust by asking questions. I'll teach you to ask 10 questions to existing business owners or people who want to start a business and elevate that conversation. The AI is the perfect tool and has the patience, to work with that client and answer every questions and create thoughts or ask questions to elevate the conversation, to challenge, people's mindsets, right? And the third one is the third way we build trust is with real world trust. And that's why we use truck reps with wow factor. To give you an example, our roofing company, we get between 14 and 20 leads a day when these trucks go out on the road for 8 hours a day with retirees in 2 to 4 hour shifts. And there's a loudspeaker, there's Trump's voice, there's traffic trivia. We do lots of things to get engagement and create interest. And that's why we call them truck reps with wow factor. So if you're truly ready to start a business part-time and grow it to $500,000 or $1 million, and you only jump over full-time when you double your existing salary, and give you enough time to test it, right? That's going to be probably a year or two to get it for you to double your salary. Then now you already know you've got 12 months or 24 months of proven income, and that's when you jump over. Does this sound like the right strategy for you to finally say, I want to hear more about this? Post questions, comments below. Let's have a conversation. Let's figure out what type of business you want to start. First, watch the top 10 most profitable businesses. Any of those businesses on the top 10, and they're pinned on my profile. Watch any of those businesses. You can use AI to do 90 or 95% of the heavy lifting. All the work, all the cold calls, all the cold emails, all the warm up the relationship will be done by AI. Then AI will make phone calls. If that's not mind-blowing, I don't know what is. If you're not excited about this opportunity, if you don't want to be one of the million millionaires, then here's another opportunity that you're gonna allow to go by you. Post your questions, comments below. Let's talk again soon. Take care.